back. Happy Sunday. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I do want to say, do not forget we have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. So if you have not yet entered, make sure you do. It does end on the 17th of this month. So make sure you enter. I do think it is a pretty awesome, probably my best giveaway to date. So I'm super excited for that. I also want to say thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. And again, please leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts, how your day is going. Give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And if you are new, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. Now, as you can see from the title down below, today we are unboxing the June 2019, no, I'm sorry, the July 2019 Facetory. Y'all, July. It's crazy. And I know we just had July 4th 2 days ago, but it is just ridiculous. I do also want to say, if you notice the same look for a couple of videos, Christopher has not been feeling well. I'm actually filming here on Saturday. He is actually asleep right now, taking a nap. So I was like, well, let me hop in. I've got a couple videos I can record. So forgive me if you notice the same look for multiple videos. That is why. But anyway, back to the July 2019 Facetory. Oh. For those of you that are not familiar, Facetory is a monthly subscription where you receive sheet mask. They do have two different options. They have the Forever Fresh, which is the one that I get, where you receive 4 face masks every month. And then they do have their 7 Luxe, where you receive 7 face masks every month. This is $8.90 out the door. Like, that's your total cost when you subscribe to Facetory Forever Fresh. The 7 Luxe, I want to say, is around $19, but I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, I do know this is $8.90, so you're paying just over $2 for each mask, which I think is worth it because they do give you a card with the retail, and usually you're getting more than your money. I do have a link I will put down below if you have not signed up for Facetory and you would like to, and that link will actually get you some extra mask your first month, so that's really awesome. So let's dive in here and see what we got for July 2019. I still can't believe it. July. Got to get used to saying that. And they've been doing this the last couple months, and I think it is so cute. They've been putting like a little postcard in, and it says, this one is so cute. It says, "You had me at Aloha." That is so cute. And then obviously you see here, it's like a little postcard, but that is cute. You had me at Aloha. All right, so we have our July Forever Fresh. You had me at Aloha. Take a break and give your skin a treat with our Forever Fresh kit. This month is all about hydrating, moisturizing, and calming the skin during the hot summer months. Trust us, your skin will feel like it's on vacation. I know I need that because I'm telling you guys, this North Carolina, I think I say this in a lot of videos, but this North Carolina heat and humidity is doing a number. It always gives you here too, which I mean I do appreciate, especially if you are not familiar with using sheet mask, but it does give you step 1, step 2, step 3 of how to use a sheet mask, you know, cleanse and tone and everything before, apply the mask, all of that. So let's just get in here and see what we got. And I am already in love. I would have been just as happy with just this one face mask. This is from Peclair. It is a cocktail aqua mask. It is Baloo Hawaii. I'm excited already. Made to provide exhausted skin with the nourishment it needs, this hydrating and calming sheet mask will make your skin feel like you're on a relaxing vacation. So it's having a retail value of $3. It says why we love it. This is a go-to sheet mask for us when our skin feels super drained. This mask brightens our skin with a burst of vitamin C. The pineapple extract helps slough off dead skin skin cells while preventing blemishes and sun damage. The lemon extract works to make the skin glow like there's no tomorrow. These ingredients contain lots of antioxidants, so fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots should become a thing of the past. Says after when to use, after a long day at the beach or before a big day. Well, I can tell you right now that it is Saturday night, so it's Saturday Eve. It's like 3 o'clock, but I will be using this evening. My husband and I have decided we were going to watch a movie together, and I'm gonna use this tonight. So I'm super excited for this one, and I'm wondering if it's gonna smell. Oh, I can't wait. I'm excited. Okay. So by the time you actually watch this, I probably will have already used that mask. And then we have, pull it out of the bag, from El Molu Day Nature Mask Energizing Day. Right here. And it says a brightening, nourishing, and hydrating daily sheet mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and ready for hot summer days. And it says repairing, blemish, water drop, cooling, AC control. AC control. Okay. Let's see what else it says. This sheet mask is a pure bliss. It helped re-energize our skin with vitamin C and other awesome antioxidant-rich ingredients. This acerola cherry helped calm blemishes with its astringent properties, while the royal jelly extract helped heal and moisturize our skin. Oh, and it's super cooling. Great for those morning sheet mask moments. And it says when to use in the morning when you need a boost of some cooling goodness to wake you up and get you ready to soak up the sun. So the retail value of $2.50. Now, I'm only on the first side here of this paper explaining the mask. I do want to say I am super excited. Normally, you guys have, if you've been following me and watching me, you know I've been using getting the subscription for a while. I love sheet masks. I'm obsessed with them. But usually there are words on here that I cannot say. I butcher. And it seems like they've kind of broken it down into like, you know, where it says the pineapple extract or the lemon extract, instead of saying some really weird, long, technical term, they're breaking it down into layman's terms so I can understand what this mask is. So I appreciate that. So thank you so much, Facetory, for doing that, if that is what you have done. It may just be a coincidence, but it seems like, fingers crossed, that's what's going to happen. So we are going to go to the next side and start with the final two masks. All right, so here, ooh, I don't think I've ever had, okay. Real Mango Essence Mask. This says vitality and moisture. I don't think I've ever had a mango mask. I'm excited. From Farm Stay, brighten up your complexion with this mango sheet mask. It's the perfect mask for a boost of hydration to help refresh your skin. When we tried this mask, we thought we were in paradise. The sweet scent from the mango fruit extract lingers while using this mask. We were also left with a dewy, bright complexion. It says when to use: at night or in the morning when you want your skin to have that extra boost of radiance. Go ahead and outshine everyone. You got this. It says a retail of $2.50. I love that their masks are all different. I can just really appreciate that. And then we have a mask from Mediheal. NMF Hydrating Mask. This looks interesting. Like, this just looks like it's gonna do something because it's all medicinal looking. Is your skin tired after a long day of strolling along the park and basking in the sun? This sheet mask provides calming and healing properties that will boost the moisture of your skin, leaving it plump, dewy, and healthy. We are obsessed with the amazing skin healing ingredients in this sheet mask. Witch hazel water, love that, helped rescue our helped reduce our inflammation, irritation, and acne while also protecting our skin from damage and infection. In addition, our skin was left super moisturized thanks to the antioxidant trehalose, which works to moisturize by matching the NMF, natural moisturizing factor. Thank you for breaking that up and breaking that down for me. That is found in the outermost layer of the skin. So pretty much our skin was thanking us for the awesome treatment. It says when to use after a fun summer night out with friends. It has a retail value of $2.50. So I think, I just love Facetory, you guys. I really do. There's something else in here. Hold on, there's something else in here. What is this? There's usually never anything else in here. It's like a little 15% off your first Lux Plus. I know Lux Plus is like where you can get mask and thing. It's not a subscription. It's like a I don't know, but like it comes with like one of the spa headbands and things, I think. Let's see. So it's showing, okay, so there's a mask. And then it comes with like here a calming essence. And then it has like a clay mask, be frozen pore mask. And then there's a rose blooming mist, centella multi lotion. So it's got multiple things other than just masks. Like it has other skincare products. Then we have the modeling mask Pearl. There is an eye patch. Now that is like the cutest eye patch I've ever seen. That is so adorable. Then there is a calendula mask, gel siren mask, water shield barrier mask. There are a couple of some sheet masks, and then here's a 2-step jelly mask, firming and radiance, a pearl mask. So there's all kinds of stuff in here, and you can get 15% off your first Lux Plus. It's $160 value, and with the 15% off, the code is +15. So just letting you guys know, would make it $42.46. So like I said, it does have quite a few masks, but it also has like lotions, serums, and other stuff in it. So that's really cool. So that was our July 2019 Facetory. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Again, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.